students. How are you all? Fine. So today we are going to start with another program of HTML. Means we are going to create one more web page using this HTML language. I hope you all are clear with the previous video, like how you can create a basic HTML web page. So today we are going to use some more tags to make the web page more attractive and just to give more formatting to the text. Okay, so today we have some heading tags. These tags are used to give heading, to add headings to your page. As we all know, there are some kind of headings which are big enough and there are some headings which are small enough. So we have six type of heading tags starting from h1 to h6. So we can add h1, h2, h3, h4, h5 and h6 tags before starting any of the line, and that line will appear as an heading. H1 is used to give the big heading and h6 is used for the small heading, and in between we can set any value. Okay, next we have paragraph tag. If you want to make your text to look like a paragraph, means you all know that paragraph starts from the middle of the page. So if you want to make it as a paragraph, we will use the paragraph tag. Then we have underline tag. Underline tag is used to make, see, I have just underlined this text, some commonly used tag. So this line is underlined. To make it underline, we will use the underline tag. Then we have I or EM, that is italic or emphasis tag. Italic is used to make the text more to give it more that the text will appear in a slanting. Okay, and afterwards we have B tag just to make it bold. As you all can see that it is, this text is bold. And then we have BR tag. BR tag is used to break the line. As we all know that whatever we wait. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how we can. So this was my folder where I just saved my previous web page. I'll just open it. So this was my web page. Okay, so what I will do, I'll just make changes in this web page only. How we can make change? See, just right click and open with notepad. Okay, open with notepad. See, this was my previous web page, so I will just make changes in this only. So what I was telling you, that see, I have written one line here. Okay, and I'll just copy this line and control C, and I'll just paste it in a next line. Okay, so as you can see that first the one line is appearing in the first line and this is second appearing in the second line. So so when I will just save this, and see, I just save it and I will just open my web page. What you all are going to see, that see, I just write two lines, but see, it is appearing in a one line. So what I'm just trying to say, that whatever changes you will make here, these are not going to appear on your web page. Okay, so if you want to write it in the next line, if you want your text would show like first line and second line, you have to use the, see, BR tag. This is for breaking the line, and this tag will just break the line here and start this text from the next line. So BR is an empty tag. Empty tag means it doesn't have any closing tag, and so it has only a starting tag. Okay, and we will write it after the line. See, I have written first line and then BR. So now what I will do, I'll just save this, and now see, refresh. See, now this is appearing in a second line. Why? Because we have just put the BR tag. Okay, so now we are going to apply another tags. See, before the starting of the line, I just want to make these two lines as a bold and underline. So what I will do, before the starting of this line, I will just write U. U is for the underline. I just want to make these two lines underline, so I will just close this U tag after these two lines. See, so whatever I will write between this U tag will appear as underline. See, now what I will do, I will just save it here and see, refresh. Refresh means I'm going to see the changes. Whatever changes I have made will appear after refreshing the page. See, now this text is underlined. Okay, I think so all are clear what we are doing. So now I just want to make it bold. So I will just write B tag to make it bold, and here I will just close my B tag. Children, remember that this language is case sensitive. Case sensitive means if you will write HTML in capital letters and small letters, it has the same meaning for the small letters and the big letters. You don't have to worry that you have written in a small in capital letters and your page is not going to show. Don't worry, you can write in both, in capitals also and in small letters also. Okay, so here I have just written the bold tag. Now I'll show you the bold effect. Save. Remember that you have to save your page first, okay, to see the effects. See, now this is bold, okay. And now I will just add the italic effect. Means I'll make the text a bit slanting. See, remember that these are the container tags, and so we have to open them and we have to close them. If you will not close these tags, then your effects are not going to appear. Okay, only BA tag was there which was empty. Okay, so now I have written I, so save it and refresh. See, can you see this? So now the text is appear in italic. Okay, now we have heading tag. I will just make it as a heading. So I'll just use H3 because I don't want very big heading. I don't want very small heading. So I will just choose H3. I just want to make this one line as a heading. So what I will do, before the starting of this line, I just wrote H3, and after the ending of this line, I'll just close this. Okay. I just close it after this line because I just want to make this one line only to be appear as a heading. Okay, so here I'm going to save it and see. Can you see this? So this line is appearing as a heading. Okay, you can choose any type of heading, H1, H2, H3, H4. See, H1 is for the biggest heading. So I'm just going to make it much bigger. So I'll just save it and refresh. See, can you see this? It is appearing in a big font. So these are some. Then we have this paragraph tag. Okay. See, okay, it just doesn't make any difference, but here our text is just starting with our text will start with the paragraph only. If you want to make this paragraph to be started from center of the page, so what we are going to write, we will just P align. Align means position. Okay, here this align means position. This is the option with the paragraph tag. Okay, we will not close the paragraph tag. We will just write P, उसके बाद उसका option align means उसकी position कहाँ चाहिए मुझे. Position मुझे चाहिए इसकी center में. Okay, fine. This is called the tag. P is a tag, and here these are the option which we call the attributes. Attributes means the option which are given with the tag itself. Okay, so this is the option. What it going to show is, it will show our paragraph from center. Okay, so I'll just save it and see. Okay, center. Fine. Why this text is in the center? Because we all know that paragraph always start from center, and the first line of the paragraph start from center and the second line is as usual. So that's why it makes this first line starting from the center and the another line from here only. Okay, so I hope you all are clear with today's video. please try to implement, try to do this practical at your home, because if you will not do this by yourself, so you may forgot, like you will forget like how we can create it, because when the school will reopen, you people will do the practical in the lab. So I just want you all to be first clear with the basic of the HTML. Okay, so be thank you so much everyone, be safe, and in the next video I will just upload some more tags. So till then, bye bye, take care, thank you.